Welcome back to my another fixing tutorial that helped your WordPress project. If you're seeing the WordPress 500 internal server error, don't panic. In this quick and beginner-friendly guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step, no coding skills required. By the end of this video, your website will be back online and running smoothly. Let's get started. So what is a 500 internal server error? It's a generic error message from your web server saying, something went wrong, but it doesn't tell you what. Common causes include 1. Broken htaccess file. 2. Faulty plugins or themes. 3. Low PHP memory limit. 4. Corrupted core files. Now let's fix it. While working on my project, I encountered a 500 internal server error whenever I attempted to update a page after making edits. The error appeared in a pop-up, and none of the recent changes were saved or applied. To begin fixing the issue, first connect to your website using FTP or the file manager available in your cPanel hosting dashboard. Next, type multi-PHP ini editor into the search bar. When the screen appears, select your website's domain from the drop-down list. Now, find the memory limit option, and increase its value to 256 MB, or 512 MB depending on your server capacity and website needs. And then click to Apply button and save this settings. Finally, revisit your website to check whether the issue has been resolved. Make some updates to your content and recheck the issue to see if the error persists. Awesome! It looks like the issue has been successfully resolved. If the issue persists, please check the Elementor official website for further guidance. If you're still unable to resolve the problem, feel free to contact us or get free support from our community website. And that's it. Your WordPress 500 internal server error should now be gone. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy WordPress tutorials. Got a question or error that won't go away? Drop a comment below, I'll reply personally. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.